Alright guys, what's up? I know it's late, but I'm gonna keep this thing going. Shout out, my name's Dad Starts. Everybody know me as Ronnie though. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And if this is YouTube, subscribe to my channel for more content. And I'm gonna tell y'all all this. Y'all check this out, back in the Bible, there was the people that went after Jesus was crucified and they went back to the tomb and he was gone and Jesus appeared, asked them, why y'all crying? I told you I was gonna die, come back, so why y'all crying? And y'all know the whole story. They went back and told everybody. Some people didn't believe. One of them was Thomas, and he immediately showed to them and proved that he had resurrected. And he stayed 40 days before he was ascended to heaven. Y'all know the Bible, how it goes, Easter and all that. But I ain't trying to compare myself to Jesus. But literally, I feel like I have some good news to tell everybody, but it's so hard to get people to believe it. You know what I mean? So, I ain't gonna make this video real long. By the way, welcome to my channel. We've been working real hard, but everything's moving so fast, man, it's hard to keep up with this stuff. Like literally, I am in the midst of moving, and God moves fast. So let me show you. So I'm back. Where do I start? I want to get straight to the point. If Bill Gates himself, anybody, whoever you look to that's a billionaire, millionaire, multi-millionaire, anybody you look up to, they came to your house, it was like, whatever your name is, yo, I'm going to show you exactly how to make some money. And they broke it down for you, told you exactly what you needed to do, whatever. You know what? Y'all won't even do it. Y'all won't even do it. Now I know, because it's people literally telling us to do it every day, and we don't do it. And we're content with working for somebody else. And don't get me wrong, you may like where you work. If you like where you work, this ain't for you. You enjoy it, you make good income, it's what you always wanted to do. That's good. That's how your life's supposed to be. I'm talking only specifically to the people who aren't happy with their life and where they work. It's not what you dreamed of. It sucks. You're struggling, bad credit and all that stuff. I mean, you just sick and tired of it. But you're not really doing nothing about it. You just keep on getting up, going to work, dragging out your day. I be seeing on Facebook, I be seeing on Instagram, people be putting memes and GIFs and photos of what their work life is, and they be funny. But let's just stop and think about it. Think about it for a minute. Like, if you hate it, why keep on doing it? And that's why I came in, man. I just had to stop. I had to stop. I can't. This ain't what the life God had for me. And God is trying to tell you every day. Now, if you don't have a relationship with God, you need to get one. I believe in God. And if you don't, I mean, that's you. But I have a relationship with God. God's speaking every day. Even the place where you be working, like you have it could be for a season. Your season could have been up years, even decades ago, but you continue to work there. And if you're unhappy, that's just a big red flag right there, letting you know. You know what I'm saying? So, if you're happy with your job, this ain't for you. If you aren't, I want you to listen real good. Just like you can go to college to be a lawyer or a doctor, there are literally places that can teach you how to make money. And you can quit your job in a matter of days, weeks, months. It all depends on you. Now, don't get me wrong. If it was easy, everybody'd be doing it. And it definitely wasn't easy for me. So get that out of your mind right now. If you try and do a business, any change, even if you change jobs, it ain't gonna be easy to transition. You gotta learn it all over again. You may have to make some different type of investments. Some people even have to move. You got to change your whole lifestyle. So just get that in your mind right now. It ain't going to be easy. But there is a place, there's a university, and it'll jumpstart you and increase your odds and your chances of being successful. That's what I did. Also, I had a mentor. Now, if you can get you a mentor, that's good. But you don't even need to get a mentor. Mentors write books. There's hundreds, thousands of books you can read. I read 2 of them, and the links are going to be in the description on my YouTube video. My Facebook and Instagram, it'll be super long. So go to my YouTube, Dad Starts, look for this video and other videos, and you'll see the books. But they're called Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Think and Grow Rich. Just start. I even got my boys, my kids reading these books. But I said all that to say this. There are places that can teach you how to do this. But the thing is, there's so much free stuff out there to even get you started. But the thing is, like, you have to realize you are a business and you don't even know it. And I had to wake up and say it. If you work at fast food, if you've been working at fast food for McDonald's, you've gained a lot of knowledge to where people want to know and they'll pay you for it. Believe it or not, about McDonald's. If you own the burgers, you know how to make great burgers. You can start your own YouTube channel, your own page, and start talking about burgers, the best burgers, how to make the best burgers. If you're a talker, people just want to hear you talk. People say you talk too much, don't know when to shut up. People would be happy to listen to you talk. There's some people out there. There's a market for everything. If you're a preacher, you don't have to be confined to your single congregation. There's other people out there that don't want to go to church but want to hear the word. We even pay you tithes and offering. If you work at Geico, I'm sure you've learned a lot about insurance. People want to get more insurance knowledge. They want to know if they have the best insurance. If you're a teacher, oh my God, if you're a mom, there are new mothers who don't know anything and they want to hear how to do it. And if you're a mother of 5 kids, you're just like a doctor to them or a lawyer to them. You're going to tell them straight up. But like I said, I don't want to keep this video too long. I just want to break it down. Be straight up. I'm real. I ain't got my lights. I ain't got no special effects. I'm just talking. I'm not using no special equipment. But I'm saying this. Ain't nothing gonna happen until you make it happen, until you move. I'm making money, and people thinking I'm like selling drugs. I'm making money, and it's crazy, and everything is happening. Everything I've learned and I'm learning, man. I want to teach everybody, and I want you to show it. And the best way for me to show you, because I can't go to everybody's house one by one and talk to everybody one by one on phone, but you can check me out. If you want to learn how to make some money, I have a system that I have used and I am using, and it works. Like I said, you ain't gonna do it. I'm Bill Gates, you know what I'm saying, sitting in your living room telling you how to make money. You ain't gonna do it. And then you're gonna see me again, you're gonna see me again, you're gonna see me again, you're gonna see me again. I'm gonna be popping up in your feed. You're gonna be like, whoa, he really doing it. And you could have started a long time ago. Now you don't even want to do it even more because you feel like it's too late, and it's never too late. But why? If Bill Gates would have came to you before he was big and started telling you, I know how I'm gonna make us money, would you have really, really like befriended this dude, been his shadow, and start doing everything he tell you to do, copying him and being by his side and executing everything you gotta execute to get to the billionaire status he is right now? No, you wouldn't be doing it. When? Let's be real. You know what I'm saying? Even some time ago, I wouldn't have either, because I was content with my job, paid the bills, took care of my family, and I don't even want to say comfortable, like I said, just content, but I was unhappy. What are you gonna do? click the link in the bio. If there's no link in the bio because it's just Facebook or IG, all you gotta do is DM me. I send you the link and you get started. Remember, like I told you, it's up to you to do it, and it ain't gonna be easy. How bad you want it though? Let's get this bag, man. Come on, man. Let's get this bag. I'm gonna show y'all some of my results somewhere on the screen somewhere. I'll show you a screenshot of what I'm making daily. Maybe that'll motivate you. Maybe a little bit. Maybe that'll motivate you. If not, I try to tell you. I try hard. This Dad Starks. Like, subscribe, comment, hit me up. We doing big things. And I'm out.